Introducing the new standard in strength and comfort, the Cub Cadet XT Enduro Series. Forged with heavy-duty steel and fused with E-coating for state-of-the-art rust-proof protection. A new optimized steering system delivers incredibly responsive handling for comfort and command at every turn. The drivetrain is pure power and superior strength. A muscular cutting system lays down an incredible cut, guaranteeing durability and breakthrough bagging performance. Alongside all its strength, ergonomics surround you in comfort. And a first-of-its-kind Bluetooth app connects you with your tractor's performance, all packaged in strong, bold new styling and backed by the industry's strongest warranty. The XT Enduro Series is more than a tractor. It's a mindset for being stronger, better than ever. From Cub Cadet, built in America since 1961. Look, drive, and compare today. One test drive is all it takes to understand what makes the Cub Cadet XT Enduro Series the new standard in strength and comfort. Welcome to Strongsville.